uMvikeli womphakathi uthi ubonisana nabameli bakhe ngalencwadi ayibhalelwe umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa. Ubekhuluma nentatheli izindaba ze-SABC ezinze eEastern Cape uLubabalo Dada ngaphambi kwezingxoxo abe nazo nosomlomo wesishayamthetho wesifundazwe Sauls August, undunankulu uOscar Mabuyane kanye namalungu obuholi besizwe samaKhoi San.
Dipoti sendinamkele studio umkhuseli woluntu advocate uMkhwebane udibene nesigqeba esilawulayo eMpuma Koloni nalapho bezokushukuxa khona imiba yezolawulo. Le mhlangano ke ibinhlangano yabucala nalapho ke abezindaba bengavumelekanga baba beyinxalenye yayo, kodwa ke ngoku ndinaye apha ecaleni kwamo advocate uMkhwebane azasichazela ukuba ngaba bebexoxe ntoni na bavisisana entweni kulo ndibano. Sibule kakhulu ngexesha lakho advocate, ngasichazela mhlamba yintoni le ibenizisa apha yaye zintoni entona zixoxe.
Ngiyabulela msasazi thina uMvikeli womphakathi besize la eEastern Cape eMpuma Koloni neoffice lethu la eMpuma Koloni sizotshengisa uSpeaker uPremier nama MECs nama HODs ukuthi iMpumalanga Koloni imaphi amaphutha ebawenzayo ekudelivering service delivery in the area. Bese batshengisa ukuthi currently sina 219 complaints esinazo, and then uMvikeli womphakathi we also busy nge systemic investigation ku all the rural areas nala banenkinga zamanzi, banenkinga zeindlela, banenkinga zokuthi ibhedlela zimoshakele, izikolo zimoshakele. So uMvikeli womphakathi sizela sizobatshengisa ukuthi nawa ama challenges enawo thina silana ukuzoncedisa ukuthi uluntu lingancedakala kanjani, and then so that ngoba kunemithetho and efanele kube ba comply to yona, and then also kunama report eswa issueile uMvikeli womphakathi. Lawo ma report akaka implementwa sithi ku office la ka speaker wena in terms of the constitution unamandla wokuthi uhold the executive to account, in that you can refer these reports to various committees, and also ku their speakers forum na municipalities, because a lot of complaints are from municipalities. You can make sure ukuthi ama speaker kulawo ma municipalities they hold the executive to account by implementing lama reports waka public protector, and the intention is so that when you implement the reports you don't repeat the same mistakes. Magube appoint umuntu without following the process, umuntu akana ma qualifications, akana experience, and then kune report enjalo implementani, but then going forward abantu fanele bafunde kule report. Mani appoint ama company ukuthi benze umsebenzi nakuba ba meet ama requirements, don't appoint them. Make sure ukuthi you comply to your policy or the any nazo the supply chain management or the municipal finance management act. That's the intention we are here.